Peace, people. We're going to jump back on topic. All right. On Amunnubi, Rahkaptah. And I'm going to show you how he's linked to Nuwau-bu. All right. Now it says, I don't even claim to be a prophet. Okay. He goes down to talk about that. He gives quotes where he stated that he wasn't a prophet. And it says here, I will let you make the claim. Now let's move on. The words that also deal with prophecies are naba, news, tidings, information, intelligence, announcement, naba'a, and means to inform, notify. It is also a derivative of the words nabi, which means prophet, okay, taken from the Lane's Arabic English lexicon. You can find the same words in the Aramaic Hebrew language, such as nabi, and it means speaker, spokesperson, prophet, from the root word naba, which means prophecy, to speak by divine power, to pour forth words abundantly, as is done by those who speak with ardor or divine devotion of mind. Taken from the Hebrew Greek Key Study Strong's Dictionary, just so you can see it. But it says, take another look at the words. Noob. Nubu-wa. Right? You can easily put the P right there, right? Okay? But we're going to connect Nuwau-bu with the B to Amunnubi Rahkaptah. Nuwau-bu, okay? And it gives you a breakdown of the Noob, the Nubi, the Nubians, the Nubans, right? The Tahites, okay, with the 9 ether hair. It's a quick video. Let's jump over to the 9 ball. Let's take a look at this paragraph and let's read this. Take away from religion, especially Christianity, the doctrine of life after death, and little or nothing is left. This life after death doctrine is the doctrine of the dead. This doctrine is why the preacher is getting people ready to die, and after death, the person is never able to tell anyone he or she was soundly or sadly deceived. Thereby, the ignorance of it all is sealed by death forever. The life after death theory is a trick which only the gullible cannot see. Religion is all right for mankind, but not all right for Fatahkind. For Fatahkind needs universal and natural science for survival and proper well-being. If the reader wishes to learn more about religion, buy and read the booklets called Bible Interpretations and Explanations. Now let's check the next sentence. Pay attention. Those Bible booklets are written by Amunnubi Rahkaptah, one of the teachers who taught us scientists who wrote and write these booklets, the 9 ball. Now, we seen Nuwau-bu with the B came from noob, right? We've seen that breakdown. Now the one who brought Nuwau-bu with a P, because Nuwau-bu with a P is inside the 9 ball and the BIAE. But my thing is, look at how Amunnubi spelled his name. He didn't use the P. He used the B. He used Nubi. You see that? Nubi. And it's the noob that's connected to Nuwau-bu. Okay? One of the teachers of the universal scientist. All right? And that's another way you can see how Amunnubi Rahkaptah, right, Dr. Malachi Z. York, bringing Nuwau-bu is the science of sound right reason. You understand? Otherwise, Amunnubi Rahkaptah would have indicated that the science was going to change. All right. As far as the 9-ball and the BIAE is concerned, the science for the revolutionary cycle is Nuwau-bu. Is Nuwau-bu, not noon science. And you can see that in Amunnubi's name. Wadu.